Okay, the last one I'm doing is number 12, and I'm doing this one by itself because I wanted to show you another magic trick that you haven't seen before. So this one is which inequality describes all the solutions. So again, we are solving for x, right? We learned how to do this, deal with an inequality. So I'm going to rewrite it because again, you know I want more space. So negative 3, 5x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 4x plus 39. Alright, same rules apply. Okay, so the first thing I'm looking to do is to distribute. So I'm going to take the negative 3 and distribute that inside. Negative 3 times 5x gives me negative 15x. Negative 3 times 6 gives me negative 18. Bring down my inequality, right? I'm not distributing anything over here, so I can go on ahead and rewrite it. Then the next step says to combine. So I'm looking on this side. Do I have anything to combine? Nope. What about this side? Nope. Check. We're done. The next thing we have to do is move the smallest variable. So which one's smaller, negative 15 or 4? Negative 15 is smaller, so how do we move a negative 15? We make that a positive 15. Okay? So this will cancel. We bring down our negative 18, bring down our inequality, and 4x plus 15x gives us 19x. Bring down our positive 39. Lastly, I can go on ahead and solve. So we just, first thing you know to get rid of is the constant. So we do minus 39 to both sides. Alright, that will go away. Bring down my 19x. Bring down my inequality and negative 18. Minus 39. Negative 57. And the last thing I gotta do to get rid of this 19 is to divide by it, right? Now, what do I do with my inequality? So this will cancel. Bring down my x. Bring down my inequality. Right? Why am I not flipping it? Did I divide by a negative number? No, I did not, which is why my inequality stayed the same all the way down. Negative 57 divided by 19. Oops. Gives us negative 3. So this is my answer. However, I want to rewrite it because I want the x to go first. So basically, I'm going to flip it, right? So I want the x to go first. So I have my x first, and the inequality is opening up to the number. So my x is less than, it should be less than negative 3, right? So the answer is D. Now, again, this is a lot of steps. Same things apply. There is actually a magic trick to do an inequality. So with the equal sign, we were putting one side in and the other side. With an inequality, we actually don't need to do that. We can put it the exact way that we see it, okay? The line's going to look a little different, but it will still tell me. Alright, so if I go here to my Desmos, I'm going to put the whole thing in. So I have negative 3 parentheses 5x plus 6. Negative 3 parentheses 5x plus 3. Close that out. Then you look at your inequality, which is a greater than equal to. So I can do the greater than equal to. And then what is the other side? 4x plus 39. 4x plus 39. Now look at where your x is. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, no one told me I copied this wrong. I'm messing up. Here we go. Okay. So I just put it in wrong up here, so I went to go correct it. So if you look at where your x is, right, my x is at negative 3. Okay. Look at all your solutions. All your solutions are in this shaded area on this side of negative 3, right? These numbers over here on this side, are these numbers greater than negative 3 or are they less than negative 3? Remember, when you're on the negative side, the bigger the number's getting, the smaller you actually are, the further away from 0. So we're actually getting way smaller. So all these numbers are less than negative 3. Is that not the answer we chose? X is less than or equal to negative 3. So this was the magic trick. You can actually put it in exactly the way you see it and just read it carefully. Read the shaded area very carefully. We know the x is at -3, and we know all this shaded area on this side, all those numbers are less than -3. And that is it.